Hey, what's up, Grizzlies, Grizzly students, Grizzly families? It's Principal Earnshaw here, and I'm here with my daughter.
Aubrey, I'm in second grade.
And so, obviously everyone's kind of stuck in the house. They've got e-learning. You guys are doing your at-home learning activities. But one thing Aubrey's been doing, she's been making homemade squishies for a couple weeks now. And
Actually, for like 2 months.
Well, like 2 months. This is my favorite one she made. It's one of our pet guinea pig, a Vanellope. So we will. I said, well, maybe Aubrey, you can teach me how to make a homemade squishy.
This was my second one, actually.
Oh, the second one she made was a goldfish box. So to save time on the video, well, first, what supplies do they need to have if they're going to make their own homemade squishy?
You need a pen, something to draw with. You need paper, pencils to color, scissors, tape, and anything like toilet paper, cotton balls, cotton.
Something that would be fluffy. Okay.
Like fluffy inside to
So
give it the squish.
So what we did first, I want to make a dog. So I took a piece of paper and you fold it in half. And then I drew my square and I colored my dog in. You guys didn't need to see me color and draw and all that, so we sped it up. All right, Aubrey, so what do I do now that I have my
you need
picture?
to tape it.
Why would we tape it before we cut it out?
Because you want it to like get like a good squish, and like it will like become more squishy if it doesn't rip.
Okay. All right.
So like sometimes I put it on the back. Usually I don't, but I'm gonna put it on the back.
So do I put tape all over the front of mine?
Yes.
Over the whole paper, or just where I drew?
No, just where you drew. Let me do it first. Oh, if you get like off, see, you're gonna cut that off.
Okay, so it's okay if the tape goes over your picture. All right.
This one's kind of foggy, like these. I had different tape, so it's not that foggy.
Yeah, you'll want to make sure you got Scotch tape so you can see through it, clear tape. Most homes have Scotch tape laying around. I'm not recommending you go out to the store to buy it if you don't have it.
I run out, I have more in my room. So.
And all right, so as you can see, I put tape all over my picture, as Aubrey said to do. Now, do I tape the back or no?
I mean, you could. I might do it. I think I will.
Well, I'm not going to save time. Okay. So now I need scissors, right?
What? Yeah. So we can cut it out, and when you cut it out, you're gonna have 2.
Okay, so keep it folded, and I'm gonna cut out around my square dog. And make sure if you're using scissors, you have your parents' permission, because you don't want to get hurt or cut yourself. So make sure you ask permission first especially if you're using big scissors. We don't have any school smart scissors here, so that's why I'm with Aubrey. So now I cut mine out, and I got two squares. Hers is real little. I wanted a big one, a big dog. All right, so now what?
That's like the size of an LP halfway.
All right, so now what do we do?
So now, we want the fluff to stay in, so we like tape the sides, but like here, you would like first tape the bottom, then tape these sides, but don't tape this because we want.
So we want to make it like a pocket.
You gotta do it bigger.
No, it'll be all right.
No, do it across. It will be like this, Dad. Watch. So tape the tape.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
But
okay, because that way it covers both sides.
I have 2 hanging off. Look, see, you just cut it open.
Okay.
Mine's super little.
Yeah, I wish mine was little now. It's going to be kind of hard.
Well, if we run out of the tape, I have more in my room.
Okay. So extra, I'm going to cut that off. I just got to tape one more side. Okay. Oh, shoot.
Like you have a little opening in there to put the cotton.
All right, yeah. So look at. So I taped all three of my sides. I taped 3 of my sides. Now it's like a little pocket. So now what do?
Half the cotton's halfway gone, but you're probably gonna need 2, or maybe 3.5.
And remember, you can use toilet paper. Ask your parents for permission though, because toilet paper is a hot commodity right now. So they might not want you wasting the toilet paper.
Okay, Dad. No. Do it like this. So, like, kind of just make a rip. And then, like, it unfold it. Do you want me to do it?
Okay, I can't seem to rip it like she is. Mine's just coming in pieces.
No, that's fine.
We're just going to use Aubrey's for mine. Oh, so if you kind of unroll it, your cotton ball, you get like a... And I just shove it in there?
Why are you taking mine?
Because we're going to make mine.
Yeah, well, I want to make one. So, like, it's like this. But that's a cat.
Kinda...
Fish.
Oh, there we go. I got it. Now I got it, guys.
Now you got it.
Because you'll definitely get more fluff if you unroll it rather than just shove
like
the balls
I use
in
toilet
there.
paper at my aunt's house.
Yeah, well, okay, well, that's your aunt's toilet paper. That's good. All right, so once I got it,
Well, it wasn't during
I could
the
shove a little bit more in there.
You have a big one. I only need to use half of mine. I'm going to put the rest in the back so I don't waste it. I'm almost out of cotton balls.
And then let me guess. I taped the top part, right?
Yes.
Okay.
How are you done? Yeah, you took my pick.
Well, I'm done quick because I took your cotton balls.
Yeah, I know that.
Hey, sharing's caring.
I mean, you kind of just took it from me. You didn't ask.
Now I'm done.
Yep.
Well, look at that. Grizzlies. Mr. Earnshaw has made his very own square puppy dog Squishee. And it's not ripping or crumbling. I did it.
So tiny.
She's got hers.
Should I bring down Penelope to show them how?
We'll show them Penelope in tomorrow's video. All right. Well, there's a little art project you can do at home when you're done with your at-home learning activities. And hope you guys enjoyed it. And hope everyone's doing well. Keep your hands clean. Stay safe. And know that all of us at Glen, we love you. We miss you. We're proud of you. And we can't wait to see you again soon. And look for another video. Hopefully on Friday. Maybe I'll shoot one with my son, Evan. Figure out what we're going to do. And next week, we will start our readings. Hopefully with Charlotte's Web. Might be a little glitch with that, but we're trying to definitely do some readings, but watch the videos, and we'll see you guys soon.